It's an ancient language that is thousands of years old. Language that we and millions of people are proud of. The language of parents and grandparents. Language spoken by Jesus Christ. It's a Syriac Aramaic language.
Syriac is a language which belongs to the Semitic languages. It's one of the dialects of Aramaic that was spoken in Edessa, today Urfa in Turkey. There are many efforts to revive this language, as it's taught in some major universities.
There are also some international conferences devoted to the Syriac language, which is spoken by nearly 1 million people around the world.
Are you interested to learn Syriac online?
Then this is the right place for you. Meme. It's pronounced just like in English. M.
Muso.
Muso. Gushmo. Risho. Afi. Eno Ithai. At Ithaik.
11 13
هونو حبرو بصدرو قدمويو شعثو عسار بصير ثلثو كثاب
حوشيب نشقول
كثاب كوثيب اينو كوثبنو
إنو كوزبونو
ومو نحرين
إي لفنان ليشوني نخروية دمعدرين لان بيدعوثو
بارحوب ماتاي شلومو حوبو تهنيوثو لبونويوثو عمو فوقي أحوتونوي مقاربنو لوخ Meme. It's pronounced just like in English. M. U.
سدرو ديلان إيثبه لوحدو قريونو وكثبتو
أخمد حوزئات مثكينو شاتو شمشونويتو من